While the majority of the island's teachers stayed off the job for a second day, grade 6 teachers in many of the schools visited by our new centre remained on the job. The teachers say a lot needs to be done ahead of the grade 6 achievement test, GSAT, just days away. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports.
It's crunch time for students sitting the grade 6 achievement test, and so every day counts. At the Denham Town Primary School in Kingston, students are trying to soak up as much information as they can ahead of next week's exam. In midst of the all-island school teacher protest, grade 6 teachers at schools like Denham Town Primary know that preparing for the exam is very critical.
I must say I'm in solidarity with the teachers. However, I am just really passionate about education and the students doing GSAT next week. And in my view, they really need more time to prepare based on where they are at.
Another teacher at the Central Branch All-Age School, Marlon Dixon, expressed a similar view. Mr. Dixon added that there are quite a number of students who have been experiencing challenges, and as such, there have been setbacks.
Many of them are unable to afford the materials that they would need for school, so it means that we have to be working at a slower pace in order to accommodate those.
The school's principal, Michael Sutherland, remains hopeful.
As teachers, we are never yet satisfied, so we always want them to go the extra mile. So I think they should be ready by next week.
Pre-sports day activities were in full swing at the Almond Town Primary School. Acting Principal Latoya Nesbeth says 18 of her 21 teachers were present, while there was a 50% attendance of the student population, including GSAT students.
They understand that it's just a couple of days away, and so they are out as well.
100%?
I would say about 90%.
Meanwhile, principal at Denham Town Primary, Eugenie Brown, is making this appeal to students sitting the GSAT next week.
All the children, not only for Denham Town Primary, for all the other schools, GSAT is very important. So I urge you to really go to your school because we can do a whole lot for the last few days.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.